Mga kaibigan, kumusta kayo? Ito po si Jess Carlos ng Pinoy Global News, nag-uulat para sa programang Pilipino A. At mga kaibigan, naririto po tayo ngayon sa Woodbridge Library sa 350 Ansley Grove, where the Toastmasters are having their meeting. Mamaya-maya po mga kaibigan, ating pong kakapain namin ang area governor ng Toastmaster Club dito sa Woodbridge. Mga kaibigan, katabi ko po rito ang division na governor ng Area D ng Toastmaster Club ng Markham, Thornhill, and Richmond Hill, si Kevin Ong. Hey Kevin, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
By the way, Kevin, what is a Toastmaster?
Toastmaster is an organization that teaches regular people public speaking skills and leadership skills also.
And how did you ever get started as a Toastmaster, Kevin?
I got started because I wanted to learn how to present better for my own personal business. So I went out and found a Toastmaster club, and I've joined ever since.
Why do you think other people need to take Toastmaster, Kevin?
Oh, it's a very big question. I think everybody needs to take Toastmasters because it increases your self-confidence, it increases your communication ability, and it just makes your interpersonal relationships better, like with your friends, family, and coworkers.
Is there a difference between this Dale Carnegie course and the other courses in public speaking?
The major difference is probably cost. Toastmasters is the cheapest public speaking training course that you will ever find.
Mga kaibigan, kalimitan po, nagkakaroon po tayo ng goal in life. Pero why is it hindi po natin nagagampanan? Dahil nagde-decide tayo, we don't put it into action. Nabigyan po ako ng pagkakataon ngayon dito sa Woodbridge Toastmaster na maging target speaker at pakinggan po nyo. Ladies and gentlemen, if you really wanted to go ahead in life, follow what Napoleon Hill Kincaid said. The road to success in any area in life, he said, is to do what you wish to do what you wish to do, and do it. Decision is powerless unless you follow through. And when you follow through action, that is the only time you are going to be greeted with success. Theodore Roosevelt said, in any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing. The next best thing you can do is the wrong thing. The worst thing you can do is nothing. Ito po muli si Jess Carlos ng Pinoy Global News, nag-uulat para sa programang Pilipino A at sa muli po nating pakikita mga kaibigan.